Is your Roborock S7 spinning its wheels like a drift car but going absolutely nowhere? If your vacuum is suddenly stuck on flat ground or sliding across your hardwood like it's on ice, you're dealing with a major movement issue. When your vacuum loses its grip, it can't climb transitions. It struggles on rugs, and it wastes battery life just trying to find its footing. Even worse, ignoring those bald wheels puts massive strain on the drive motors. But don't throw out your robot just yet. At RoboCare, we're experts in robot vacuum repair. We understand that a high-performance machine requires high-precision care. Replacing wheel rubber isn't just about a quick fix. It's about restoring the factory-grade traction your robot needs to navigate transitions and carpets flawlessly. Our team uses specialized disassembly tools and diagnostic equipment to safely access the drive modules without risking damage to the Roborock S7's sensitive internal electronics. We carefully inspect the entire motor assembly, clean out any internal debris, and replace those worn treads with genuine components. We ensure every repair meets our rigorous standards so your robot vacuum returns to you as good as new. Now, let's get to the results. Check out that grip. This Roborock S7 is navigating transitions flawlessly. No more slipping, no more stuck errors. Just perfectly clean floors once again. Don't let a lack of grip ruin your clean. For any Roborock repair or other robot vacuum needs, contact RoboCare today. Visit our website or call us to schedule your repair. RoboCare makes repairs effortless.